Noisy Thomas Soundbook. Join Thomas and Bertie for some noisy fun. They puff and boom until the day is done. Puff! Thomas passes Bertie on a country lane. Brrm, says Bertie. I wish I could be a train. So Thomas takes Bertie on a railway tour. Brrm, says Bertie. I can't wait to explore. Puff goes Thomas as he steams up Gordon's Hill. Brrm, goes Bertie, who is having such a thrill. But Bertie should have picked up Dowager Hat. In all the excitement, he'd forgotten that. Puff! Thomas drives across the shaky bridge track. Brrm! Bertie wobbles and falls off the back. Now they're in trouble. What can they do? Whoosh! Harold comes to help the stranded two. Whoosh! Harold lifts up Bertie, just like that. Brrm! Puff! Off they rush to fetch Dowager Hat. Dowager Hat's friends want to join in the tour too. So they climb in Bertie and enjoy the view. Puff! Thomas takes them all to see the sights, and on Misty Island they fly colorful kites. Puff! Then Thomas takes them home to bed. Thank you, Thomas, what fun, Bertie said. Brrm! Bertie and Thomas had lots of fun today. And Bertie's taking Thomas on a road tour soon. Hooray!